Janagraha's mission is to change urban quality of life by improving urban governance. Our guiding principle to define the quality of life and bring about changes in public governance is a comprehensive framework called READ.
Janagraha's theory of change, called the READ, sets out to enable citizens and empower them to take part in the decision-making processes of local government, thereby helping to improve the quality of life in our cities and towns.
Janagraha has initiated many citizen-facing and government-facing programs, some of which are profiled in this film. These programs embody Janagraha's mission, which is to apply the systems framework to bring about tangible improvement in the urban quality of life in India.
I Paid a Bribe is a platform for citizens to report paying or not paying a bribe. We use these reports to make policy recommendations to the government to reduce corruption in their departments. So log on to www.ipaidabribe.com and tell us your story.
iJanagraha is not just a site, it's a platform where citizens can come together to engage with each other and solve civic issues in the city. It allows you to do this by allowing you to network, to meet other people, to talk about complaints, to post complaints, find solutions, volunteer with organizations, talk to experts, and basically take ownership of the city.
The advocacy program at Janagraha engages with the government and the political system at the national, state and local level for a better governance system, which we believe will translate into a better quality of life. It undertakes various projects which can be broadly categorized as policy initiatives, legal initiatives and training initiatives.
India Urban Space Foundation is a not-for-profit charitable trust which was established in 2007 with a focus on spatial planning as means of transforming Indian cities socially, culturally, economically and politically.
Proof is public records of operations and finance. Proof is a program that urges local governments to disclose their quarterly financial statements and even their performance indicators. Therefore, this is expected to set in greater accountability.
Jagte Raho inspires values of active citizenship in urban India by bringing out the citizens to vote in local, state and union elections, and by promoting participation in neighbourhood areas. The goals of Jagte Raho are to achieve 90% registration of all eligible voters and accuracy of electoral rolls and 60% voter turnout in local, state and union elections.
The Ward Infrastructure Index is a report card on the quality of life that you enjoy in your ward. You can use the data that we produce to work with your local government and your corporator to improve the quality of life in your ward.
Area Suraksha Mitra project is a project pertaining to community policing. The civil defense personnel, who are well motivated, highly dedicated and police verified volunteers, will be the main ingredient of the community policing. They will help the police in making the Bangalore city safer for the citizens.
What we aim to do in the program is to give practical information about civics such that they become active citizens in their life. You know, we've heard of everybody saying that children are going to become the citizens of tomorrow. What we tell our children is that you are citizens today.
Bangalore City Connect Foundation is a platform wherein industry, civil society, welfare associations and the like interact with government to work jointly on solutions, particularly in the traffic and transport space.
The charter of the Janagraha Applied Research Program is to generate primary data to be used by other Janagraha programs. A very exciting study that we are engaging in is the creation of a citizenship index to understand the levels of civic literacy and civic engagement amongst citizens in the city of Bangalore.
To know more about Janagraha, please visit us at www.janagraha.org.